30-day challenge, Crypto.com challenge, day number 5. Happy Thanksgiving. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The price is down 18.65%, but I love looking at these NFTs right on their Twitter page. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, as you see here, you've been with me since November 21st, the first day. You're still feeling good right now. Even though the price is down, we're still going to buy on Thanksgiving Day. Now, we've been getting this right on Coinbase.com. So if you don't have an account, click on the link below. Get started with Coinbase.com or even Crypto.com. So right now, we're going to go buy the Crypto.com right on Coinbase. So we're going to click on buy, and let's go ahead and type in and find this Crypto.com that we've been doing for the last couple of days. So, okay, so we're going to get, it's down 18%. How much do you think we should get? So let's go ahead and get this amount of money. We're going to get $200 worth. Let's preview it right now, just like we always do. We take the information and we put it right in the captain spreadsheet. Let's go ahead and buy now. And 78 cents, that is definitely on sale in my opinion, based off where it was just yesterday. It was 94 cents when we made our buying actually position. So let me go ahead and take this and go back to the captain spreadsheet. Buy $245 worth, or 245 tokens of Crypto.com. And let's go do that. And let's go ahead and make the format sale. We're going to format this to make this look like nice and neat. And let's go back here. Click on view transactions. We're going to take the transaction that we just did, was basically the numbers from Crypto.com, the purchase, and we're going to put it right into the captain spreadsheet. So right here, we got $7.67 in fees. We'll put that right there. And amount we paid in terms going towards Crypto.com, $192.33. So let's do that. $192.33. All right. And so let's go down a little bit. Let me go ahead and see if I can pull this up a little bit. Okay. So we're going to move this up a little bit. We're going to change to number 5 because this is set up in our formulas. And that gives us a average buying price of 80 cents. That's not bad at all. Let's change the date on here to the 25th, since today is the 25th. And today, the price went down. So we're going to go up here. And we're going to go take the price what it is today. And we're still in profit land, $25.31. Even though the price is down 18%, we are still in profit land. So I'm sure you are as well. We're going to buy every day up until December 20th. So we have a total of 1,318 Crypto.com tokens in our possession. We total paid $1,060. Fees has only been $26.31 only in fees. And in terms of going towards Crypto.com tokens, $1,034.49. And we have a total profit of $25.31. So it's in the book for another day getting this. And we'll be back day number 6 on November 26th. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain speaking, and I'll see you on the next video. If you don't have Coinbase.com, click on the link below. Sign up. It's free to do, easy to do. Follow me on this journey. Who's with me? Put that in the comments. You're with me, and I'll see you on the next video.